Parkour!
Aussie dogs are proof that you can be a genius and a klutz at the same time. The definition of beg in Human's Dictionary and Zero's one are completely different.
Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving.
Dave?
The dog quickly learned a valuable lesson. Always check the snow depth before jumping.
Like watching Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna turn it off.
I love you, but I refuse to do that. If there's a family project that needs doing, the Aussie dog is the first one to volunteer. To supervise.
What the hell? Bruh.
What are you doing? I couldn't find you. Where did you go?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Sit.
He has to jump up and sit. That's what makes the dog so unique and cool.
Sit.
I don't want to stay home alone. Do you hear me? It seems that the Australian Shepherd's intelligence has not yet awakened today. A smart child not only knows how to imitate human, but also saves water. Don't be fooled by their intelligence. Aussie dogs will eat anything that isn't nailed down.
Leave it. Leave it. Case. Why do you do this?
This strategist has calculated everything very carefully so that his plan can go as smoothly as possible. It's impossible to ask an extroverted boy to stay at home because he'll go out at any cost.
Mochi. Mochi.
When your doggy refuses to be a misbehaving child's homie.
Oh, guy.
Hopefully the iPad's powerful enough to withstand the pressure of his desire to win.
Chase, are you locked away?
Prepare to be amazed by the level of silliness these Aussie dogs can reach.
Oh no.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a good kid. Show me that bad dog. I want the one.
Who needs a throne when he has the most modern machine?
How clean. Ah.
That Aussie dog caught the ball so quickly, it made the ball feel slow. They're completely different, but they were made for each other.
Our new garbage can.
Even in the cold winter, Doggy can still enjoy his favorite hobby of swimming. Aussie Dog's extremely versatile because sometimes he's a dog, sometimes he can be a rabbit. When shaking Bud is this child's love language.
Are you excited to see me? Sit. Winston. Go get Moose. Go get Moosey. Go get.
Missions like treats with this guy because he can eat without leaving crumbs.
Good job.
Billy?
This must be why Shepherd has always been the big brother in the family.
This poor sweet dog. She thinks with all her heart that she's helping me by trotting with me every step I drag the arena, and I don't have the heart to tell her that she's actually messing it up.
What's going on if two friends with two frequencies play together?
Go, Pipes, go! Let's go home!
When Shepherd needs to make sure the human won't run away from him.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Ready? Go!
Coda's on a mission to find the world's largest snowball.
Left the steak out, I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna eat it. Ooh, I can't wait, this juicy steak. Nobody sees me, I'm sure. I'm gonna get it. Maybe use my left paw. No. Oh shoot, they caught me.
I've learned that he wants me on this grate. If I leave the grate, he gets really mad and he wants me me back on the grate. I can leave the grate. I need to put some heat back on the grate.
How's your Australian Shepherd? Please share with us. Thank you so much.